Swim? Yeah, we can. It's gonna be colder.
Sleeping dog.
Times 2 natin. Problema din sa chorus yung
If you're a trail runner, Sitio Malasya is a very familiar name, but most definitely you'll be familiar with Sitio Quinao too. Just a little north of Sitio Malasya, and that's where we're headed today. And then if we have the time, energy and mood, we'll extend it to Puray Falls. So that's our workout for today. I'm with a bunch of good company now with Beef, Kevin over there, Maximum Effort, Buzz Fuel, and Clarisse, and there's Rocky. Bo is somewhere there. Yeah. 2 mountains away, but he'll be here. Just kidding, Bo. Anyway, give or take 30k today. Again, I'm not sure. Yeah, we're excited. We're always excited to be here. Long route, good gain. Also have technical descent as well. Kevin!
Magkakapatid sa inyo. Ito. Magkamukha kayo eh. Hindi. Ito ang dalawa.
Gali.
Talaga ang galing.
Taking this bus fuel. So first time it's not really first time. using it for first time for using it in a long distance run. It's a homemade pack for glycogen for fuel. This is what flavor again?
Calamansi.
Calamansi. It's homegrown, made by a trail runner for trail runners and for hikers too. If you need a little glycogen boost, this is it. Comes in 2 flavors for now, and now it's in some prototype. It's made by Puzon Enterprises. Fuel, homemade, local, maximum effort.
Hashtag fueled by honey. Puz on.
Puz on.
Always puz on.
No to T-Rex. And nice.
So I choke on sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes. All the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline, like a row of captured ghosts or old dead grass. There's never much, but we've made it.
So we decided not to pursue Puray Falls anymore since we already went to one earlier. Now we might, that's the word, go to Paragon.
Depends on me.
In addition, depends on a lot of things actually. So we had over 20k, around 24 maybe. So the moment, definitely do 30-ish. But if we're gonna add Parawagan, definitely it's gonna be more than 30. So making it a good workout. So we just had a stop at the store to have noodles while waiting for the others. Now we resume running.
When I come home, ships are long.
If you surround yourself with masochists, it's a wrong idea to come here to Wawa because there's so many routes. After doing Quinao, we're headed to another quite arduous route, BK Parawagan. So there you go. This is the final decision, and we're ready on en route. And I hate you guys.
Best decision of our lives for so far.
I hate you very much.
Normally we have Saturday, Sunday, so now we have Sunday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Shit.
What a route.
Yeah,
2,000 gain.
check out the bus view, boys.
Plus few boys. Looks like it's working. The new formula is working. And we finally made it here. 30 plus km, 2,000 gain. That's it for the ascents. Now all going down. Congratulations everyone.
Yes.
Just make sure we have energy to go down. It's just 5 km, but it's also steep and fast going down. And the driving home too. So Bo, we wish Bo could have made it. Bo's got a little injury, but it's just so hot. Almost 40 km, end of the line. Well, not really. We still have like a few hundred meters left till we reach the end of the line. You could say it's unplanned route, partially. I can say it's very fulfilling, a good workout day, long one. We've been longing to do long ones for quite some time because we've been doing short, leisurely training runs. Hopefully we can do more soon, and hopefully some routes reopen again. Hopefully we can do higher elevation runs, and we're excited if that happens. Good job. Good job to you.
You made a great trail today. Made a great route.
Awesome. And we'll definitely be back. We'll definitely do similar routes, connecting it to other routes, so we can basically just share it with you guys. And we do appreciate you watching us. You know, it's just a small community, but always grateful. And thank you for those people we met on the trail saying hi. and really do appreciate it. Sorry, I'm kind of tired, but